We're the Friendly Real Estate Group, and we're back at Hartford Terrace.
Hartford Terrace is an amazing community in the city of Davenport that I'm gonna tell you guys something. If you click on this video to watch a video that I made a few months ago, this place looks completely different now. They've sold over 100 homes in 4 months. We're here at one of our clients' homes. He's almost ready to close. We just did the walkthrough inspection. It looks phenomenal. Pulte's such a great builder. And we're gonna tell you guys all about the community. We're gonna chat with our partner, Rodrigo, so he can tell you guys what the community's like, what Pulte is like. And then after that, we're gonna show you guys these beautiful model homes that they have here. Now, we're the Friendly Real Estate Group, and we make videos just like this for families just like you that are looking to move to or relocate within Central Florida. Make sure that you subscribe down below, and if you do, hit the little bells for notifications so you're notified every single time a brand new video comes out. And at the very least, guys,
Give this a thumbs up.
give this video a thumbs up. Now let's get to the action. All right, guys, welcome back to Hartford Terrace. I'm here with our friend Rodrigo.
Hello.
We're here because we're working some transactions together. And we figured it's a great time to stop back in and do an update video. If you haven't seen it yet, we have video right here that we already did of Hartford Terrace, but it looks so different already. They've made so many changes. So Rodrigo, I want to ask you guys, since you opened up, you've sold almost 100 homes. Why are so many houses selling here?
Well, that is correct. So we're selling at a pace of about a house every other day, which is amazing for this area. And I think it's due to a lot of factors. I mean, not only we are a luxury builder, which people love. You know, you don't have that many options as we offer here. So this is it's a unique product that we are offering in Polk County. There is a huge demand. So Polk County is the fastest growing county in the whole country. So you have more people moving to this part of the country than anywhere else in Florida or the whole country for that matter. And that's mainly the reasons why. And not only that, I mean, we give buyers an option so they can buy an inventory home if they need something, you know, ready to go, or if they have time and want to be able to personalize a few things on the house, they can choose the lot, they can choose the location, they can choose the elevation. So there's a lot of features that they can choose and kind of make it more their own, which they just can do it like with other builders.
Absolutely. And we've actually done both of those.
Yep.
We have clients that we're here for today for a blue tape walkthrough that they purchased an inventory home, and then we have clients that picked the lot, she wanted water.
Yep.
Picked the house, she wanted one that you didn't have a
Yep.
model of.
Yep.
But she got to pick the entire process. She got to build the house exactly how she wanted to. And by she, I mean they. Angel, if you see this, sorry, brother. You know that you're a part of this too. So a little bit about the area. We're right off of Highway 27 here. We've got Publix, Advent Health. We've got some new commercial spaces going. We've got doctor's offices and things like that. What else am I missing? I mean, this place is a hot zone.
You pretty much cover it all. I mean, there's also Posner Park, which is about like 10 minutes from here. You're gonna find retail options like Target, Marshalls. You have restaurants, you have entertainment, Cinepolis. So there's definitely a lot of things happening in this area, and buyers, they can see that, right? So everything in Central Orlando is so expensive. And if you think we're only like 20 minutes away from like the Disney parks, it's still a very strategic location because we're close to Orlando, we're close to Tampa. So, you know, buyers, they can benefit from this awesome location.
Absolutely, absolutely. So we do have a little bit of everything. And Rodrigo, thank you so much. One more question for you. What can future homeowners in this community expect to have here, included with the HOA and the CDD as well?
Got it. So we're still at a very early stage of the community. So if somebody was to drive by today, you wouldn't see any of the amenities, right? But we will have a swimming pool with a cabana, so a covered area, playground. There's also going to be a sports field, which we anticipate to be a soccer field. Walking trails, dog stations. So we will have amenities, and then included with the HOA, which is $83 a month, by the way, you're gonna have internet, 1 gigabyte of internet, as well as TV included with the Spectrum. So well, it's kind of a wash because it is.
Absolutely. It's a wash there. And the CDD is how much?
So the CDD ranges from 162 to 182, depending on the series of homes that the buyer decides to buy. So we have 3 series, which are the Garden, Classic, and State. The difference is gonna be just how wide the lots are, right? So you have either 40, 50, or 60 by 110 feet deep lots, total of 12 floor plans that buyers can choose from. And we have some products that are very unique, which is the State Series, single story homes, 3-car garage, large, it's a very wide home. So we are the only ones that are offering that.
You guys heard it here from the source. Rodrigo, thank you so
Thank you.
much. Can't wait to bring you right over here to talk to Rodrigo.
Sounds good.
Maybe we sign the paperwork in this beautiful gourmet kitchen.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Now we're going to show you the model homes up next. Up first, we have the Yellowstone model. Now, this is a 5-bed, 4.5-bath, 3-car garage home. It is a beautiful, big house. It's 3,416 square feet. Now, this house is going to start off at $490,000 for the plan, and then you have to add your lot and any upgrades from there. So you're looking at somewhere in the low 500,000 to start off for this house, and then any additions that you have afterwards, such as this. This right here is their gourmet kitchen package. This is an upgrade. It gets you the upgraded cabinets with the crown molding, the quartz countertop, as well as the built-in kitchen also. Now, this home is spacious. This home is for a big family. You have 5 very spacious bedrooms. 4 of them are upstairs and 1 of them is downstairs. Here you have your dining room section, and then you have your living room right over here. And having those glass doors is an option. Those are pocket sliding doors. That is an upgrade as well. There's not too many upgrades in this house, to be honest with you. They allow a few upgrades. They are a semi-custom builder. I do love that though, especially if you get that screened in back there, it would look great. Now, this is an old video. They already have the fence up there, but we weren't able to film this house whenever we went there a few days ago because it was just very busy. They had a grand opening that day, but this is beautiful, and you can tell there how the door slides into the wall there. Now, this is going to be your flex space. You can use this as a dining room, or you can use it as an office, however you'd like. It does not come with doors. You do get a half bathroom downstairs for you and your guests, and then this is a closet. Doesn't come with a printer, but that's a closet under the stairwell, and that's where the garage would be right over there. Here's 1 bedroom that you have downstairs, and one thing that I really do like about this bedroom being downstairs is that it's a full ensuite. So if you have family members that don't want to go up the stairs, you have a full ensuite downstairs. You have the full bathroom here, and you've got a very nice sized closet there as well. And we're going to make our way upstairs, guys. And the first room that we're going to visit is this great family room up here. Movie theater, whatever you want to call it. I love those 3 windows. You can have the space be nice and bright, or you can darken it up for movie nights. You get this beautiful second living room upstairs for the family to be able to hang out in. Here's the master bedroom. That is a king size bed with 2 nightstands there. I do like the space here. I don't know how I feel about the hallway being kind of taken away from the bed there, but you do get this huge bedroom or closet here for in exchange for that. So I don't know. I think I love it. Here's the master bathroom, and it does have the upgraded shower option here for the bathroom. And as you can tell, I mean, come on guys, who wouldn't want this right here? This is nice. This is an upgrade. It doesn't come with the base floor plan. And then here we have the men's kingdom right over here. We're gonna make our way over to bedroom number 2 upstairs. This is just a bedroom. It's not an ensuite, so none of the bedrooms are upstairs. Actually, there is 1 ensuite upstairs, and we'll show you guys that in a minute, but good size room here. And now we've made our way to that room that is an ensuite upstairs. So you do get 1 of the bedrooms upstairs that can be for someone who wants to have that bathroom inside of the bedroom there. That'd be mine if we were growing up, but I had to share 1 with 8 siblings. All right, guys, so here we have the laundry room, and I'm pointing out all the upgrades in this house. The last one that I can think of is this sink here in the laundry room. It costs about $1,000 to add that there to the laundry room. You get a nice linen closet there. And here we have the upstairs bathroom that would be shared with the 2 bedrooms that do not have the bathrooms inside of them. And last but not least, here is the last bedroom upstairs. I do like those 2 small windows there. I love how this house, it feels bright everywhere you go. All right, up next, we have the Daylen floor plan. Since I showed you the biggest first, I'm going to show you the smallest second. Now, this is a 1,580 square foot, 4-bed, 2-bath with a 2-car garage home. It starts in the mid 300s, right around 350 for the plan, and that's without adding the lot that you pick out. Now, in this one thing I appreciate about this is that they made the most space out of a 1,580 square foot house that has 4 bedrooms in it. So here we have the kitchen, living room, and dining room all in 1 open floor space here. We're going to show you up next. You do get a patio with this. So if you like to grill like I do, you have that space back there in these homes. One thing I don't really love is the small amount of cabinet space that the kitchen has. I have a lot of stuff I store. I don't think I would be comfortable in that, but that's just a personal opinion. Here's the master bedroom, and we'll show you guys the master bathroom up next. Again, it's a 4-bed, 2-bath, right around 1,600 square feet. So these rooms aren't going to be too big, but this home is perfect for a small family or a couple or something like that that's looking for a great starter home here in Davenport. You do get a big closet. Closets are becoming such a thing these days. Now over here, here's the pantry. It is small again, so keep that in mind, guys. Small house here. Here we have bedroom number 2, and right behind that, we're gonna have the laundry room in between these 3 bedrooms here. Laundry room's actually a nice space for a home of this size, not gonna lie. And then here we have the second bathroom, which would be shared between the guests and the additional 3 bedrooms. Bedroom number 3 is here, and these rooms are about 11 by 10, 11 by 11, by the way, these 3 bedrooms that the house has that are additional here. Look at that man working hard out there. And then last but not least, here's bedroom number 4. Again, about the same size here. And right as we move out of this bedroom, I'm going to show you guys the garage.
If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below and hit the little bell for notifications so you get notified every time a video like this gets posted. Now let's get back to the action.
All right, here we have the Mill Run. The Mill Run is a 4-bed, 3-bath, 2,200 square foot home with a 2-car garage. I think that this is a great floor plan for the value. It starts off around $385 at the time of recording this video. Add your lot, but I really like this floor plan. You've got a nice open space here for your dining room, living room, and your kitchen as well. This home, I really like this one. They sell it in many of their other communities. You've got this nice little back deck over here, and for 2,200 square feet to squeeze in what they did into this home, I think that is just an excellent value. Here by the front door, you've got a nice little closet, and you've got one under the stairwell as well for additional storage. And then you have one full bedroom down here that we're going to show you guys up next. That's the garage door there. Here you have a full bath downstairs. It is the only bath downstairs, so this would be shared between this bedroom that's here and the guests as well as when you're downstairs. But look at this room, that's a queen size bed. I feel like this is a very reasonably sized room over here. This was Lenny's first time recording these houses, by the way. Let me know how she did. Usually I'm the one doing the walking around. Now as we make our way upstairs, you have this nice little loft here, little landing zone up here. You can set up a couch like they did here. You can have an office space or something similar. Here we have the laundry room right next to the master bedroom. Don't know how I feel about that, to be honest with you, but it's right there. Maybe a great thing for you, maybe not. But here's the master bedroom. This is a king size bed with huge nightstands next to it. I think they did a great job with this floor plan. The only thing I would have done different is move that door over to where it doesn't take up the space in front of the bed. And another thing I don't really care for in this bathroom is that the door does open into the glass doors there of the shower. But you do have a good sized closet here in the master bedroom. Even though the bathroom is not that big, I feel like the space up here, it works out well. I don't know. Maybe you want a bigger bathroom. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Here we have bathroom number 3. This is the second bathroom upstairs, and it is shared between the other 2 bedrooms that are up here. Now these other 2 bedrooms that are upstairs, they're a little bit smaller than the one downstairs, but both are, reasonably sized. I feel like you could probably fit a queen bed into that room and be comfortable in there. And another closet. Why not? Now we have the Medina. The Medina is a 2,200 square foot single story house that can be either a 3 or a 4 bedroom, and it has 3 bathrooms and a 2-car garage as well. This I love the most out of all of the open concepts that they have in these houses. You've got a nice sized kitchen, a good sized pantry. You've got great amount of space there for your dining table and your living room as well. And I'm a huge fan of the fact that you can get the tray ceiling there over the living room to just add a little bit of depth to the room here. You've got a huge patio there in the back, and if you're in Florida, screen that baby in and you'll enjoy your afternoons out there. Huge master bedroom. That's a king size bed, and it looks like a junior bed in there. You've got a sliding door for the bathroom here, glass shower, his and her sink. You even have this little space here that can be used, ladies, for a vanity. Perfect place for a vanity. Lenny, you'll be so proud of me. You've got a private water room here. You've got the closet as well right over here. And you've got an additional linen closet that we'll show you guys here in just a second. I love this floor plan. Honestly, I'm not a live in a two-story kind of person anymore. If I bought a house in this community, this would probably be it, or maybe the Bloomfield. Now, remember I told you earlier, it's a 3 or 4 bedroom right here. They have it as a 3 bedroom with a flex space, but you could convert that into a 4th bedroom if you needed that space. Now, here we have bedroom number 2 upstairs, and I love these 3 windows. Oh man, if I had this house, I don't even know if I'd take the master bedroom. I might just go into this one here, guys. Here you have a bathroom, and it is a single sink bathroom, by the way. Did want to point that out. That would be the garage right in there, and here we have the laundry room. It has that upgraded sink option right there. And one thing that Lenny, when she recorded this, really wanted you to see was the fact that you have the AC room, but you have this additional storage here as well. And here we are finally in the last bedroom here of this home. Let us know what you guys think. Tell me which one is your favorite home out of all. Oops, almost forgot. This is an ensuite. It's got its own private bathroom. All right, guys, we're out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're the Friendly Real Estate Group, and we make videos just like this for families just like you that want to buy a brand new house here in Central Florida. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Hit the little bells for notifications so you're notified every time a new video comes out. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'm going to let Lenny send you off.
Bye, guys.